This is a black tri girl born. She was the 8th born puppy. And if you watched our live video of the birth, she had quite an extraordinary entry into the world, and she is one very healthy and one very lucky girl. Yes. Anyway, she was born 13.6 ounces, and you can see she's got nice copper coming in, and she's got white from the bottom of her chin all the way down her chest and into her belly. And she's got a nice larger spot on the top of her shoulder blades. She has a little shepherd's tail. You cutie. And she has 2 rear hind toes. White toes. Gently turn her around here. And you can see her copper is coming in. She'll definitely have the copper eyebrows and down the jawline. And then her face will be predominantly black with a little snip on her nose. Her nose will turn black. And this is the little black tri girl. My best guess is that she's gonna be around 40 pounds, right around there.